Choosing the right keyboard can make or break your streaming experience. Whether you're battling in a game or engaging with your audience, many buyers overlook the importance of connectivity and battery life, leading to frustration during those crucial moments. In this video, we will compare 5 top rechargeable mechanical keyboards that not only promise reliability, but also enhance your setup. Stick around to discover why our #1 pick stands out from the rest. And remember, links in the description for current prices. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews. Logitech G Pro Mechanical TKL Tenkeyless Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G Pro Mechanical TKL Tenkeyless Gaming Keyboard is an exceptional choice for gamers who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance. Designed with a compact layout, this keyboard is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for LAN parties or streaming events where space is limited. Equipped with Logitech's advanced Roamer G switches, users can expect rapid actuation and a satisfying tactile response, enhancing gaming accuracy. Streamers will appreciate the customizable RGB lighting, which can sync with their games or personal setup. However, some users may find the absence of a number pad inconvenient for tasks outside gaming. EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Max Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The EPOMAKER X Aula F75 Max Wireless Mechanical Keyboard is a fantastic option for those looking to infuse character into their setup. This keyboard features a unique design and customizable keycaps that allow users to personalize their gaming or streaming experience. The F75 Max is equipped with hot swappable switches, giving users the flexibility to switch out keys based on their preferences. The wireless connectivity ensures a clutter-free workspace, while the RGB backlighting enhances visibility in dim lighting conditions. While this keyboard excels in aesthetics and customizability, some may find the learning curve associated with its features a bit steep. Kisnt KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. The Kisnt KN85 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard stands out for its seamless connectivity and solid performance. Ideal for both gaming and content creation, it boasts a long-lasting battery life, allowing users to stream for hours without the stress of constant recharging. The ergonomic design supports extended use, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. Additionally, its quiet switches are perfect for streamers who want to maintain a professional atmosphere without distracting keyboard sounds. However, some users might prefer more tactile feedback, as the quieter operation can feel less responsive during intense gaming. Redragon K52 1KS Wireless Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K52 1KS Wireless Gaming Keyboard combines affordability with premium features, making it a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers and streamers. This keyboard offers a robust construction and customizable RGB lighting that adds flair to any setup. With responsive mechanical switches, users will benefit from swift key presses that can enhance gaming performance. The wireless capability ensures a neat and tidy workspace, and the durable design means it can withstand rigorous use. However, while it's an excellent entry-level option, serious gamers may eventually seek a more professional-grade keyboard for advanced gaming features. Aula F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. At the top of our list is the Aula F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard, which excels in both functionality and style. This keyboard is engineered for serious gamers and streamers who demand precision and reliability. Its high-performance mechanical switches provide instant feedback, while the advanced wireless technology ensures a lag-free experience. The customizable RGB lighting not only enhances the aesthetic, but also allows for personalized profiles that can match different streaming setups, Its solid build quality and ergonomic design make it perfect for long gaming sessions. The only downside noted by some users is that its size may require a dedicated gaming station rather than a portable solution. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your streaming setup to the next level, consider one of these top-rated rechargeable mechanical keyboards. Each one offers unique features to enhance your gaming experience. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more reviews, and check the description for links to all the products mentioned today.